Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome again with a new chapter Coal and Petroleum. Students, you have seen a lot of things around yourself. Some of them are natural and some of them are man made. For example, the trees, the air we take inside, and water we drink. These are some natural resources. On the other hand, the car, laptop, the mobile in which you are watching the videos, these are some artificial things or man made things. And to make these things, human being requires the natural resources. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about the natural resources. Natural resources are further divided into two categories, that are exhaustible natural resources and inexhaustible natural resources. Exhaustible are the resources that are present in limited amount in nature, right, and cannot be continually replenished. Means they exhaust by using at once. Such type of resources are called exhaustible natural resources. For example, the coal, petrol, and petroleum, natural gases, minerals. These are some exhaustible natural resources. Means they exhaust by using at once. Right. On the other hand, inexhaustible natural resources are the resources which are present in unlimited amount in nature and can be continually replenished. Means are not likely to be exhausted by various human activities. For example, the air, sunlight, water, these are the natural resources which cannot be exhausted by using at once, so they are called inexhaustible natural resources. Now in this chapter we will learn about the three main exhaustible natural resources. These are coal, petroleum and natural gases. So the energy sources such as coal, petroleum and natural gases are called fossil fuels. Since they are obtained from fossils, and fossils are the remains of organisms that lived millions of years ago. Right? So fossil fuels are natural resources that are obtained from the nature and cannot be manufactured in factories. And they are exhaustible, and hence they are also called non-renewable energy sources as they exhaust at once. Now, coal is one of the most abundant fossil fuel resources, and it is obtained from mines. It is present at deposits deep underground or near the surface of the earth. Coal is a black, hard, combustible substance, and chemically coal is a mixture of chemical substance that contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen in combined form together with small amounts of nitrogen and sulfur. Now, where is coal used? How useful coal is? So, coal is used as a fuel to cook food, right? And for generating electricity also. And it is also used as a source of energy in various industries like cement, paper, steel, iron, etc.